India's top court working through the night to listen to the arguments, to hear out this last-minute plea by Yaqub Memon. At the same time, there are some who may argue that he did not get enough time. Some who may say that finally we are seeing at 5 a.m. this order being delivered, and 2 hours from now, Yaqub Memon will hang. There are others who believe that he was given enough time. In fact, that's the observation which was made by Justice Deepak Mishra. If I could quote from some of the things that he had mentioned, clearly saying that enough time was given. The petition which was filed by his brother is the petition which has finally been considered by the Supreme Court. But some people who are actually waking up this morning would have no idea of what actually took place throughout the night, with the Chief Justice of India first asking the people to come to his residence. When they reached his residence, the action moving to the residence of Justice Deepak Mishra, and then the courtrooms of the Supreme Court being opened up to hear out this case. But the final verdict now is out there. The plea, the last-minute plea of Yaqub Memon, the convict in the 1993 Mumbai blast case, has been rejected, which means as of now the information that we have is that he will be hanged, and he may be hanged as per schedule, which is exactly 2 hours from now.